Good evening. Today I'm gonna talk and answer you the questions of birds and feather fossils. Birds fossils. So first is writing how to compare bird fossils and dinosaur fossils. So bird fossils have no, dinosaur fossils have large reptile-like fossils. They are very, very old. While bird fossils have feathers, they have lighter bones and they can fly. But both of them have similarities is that they have hollow bones and similar hip structure. Science have to explain skeleton fossils and animal trace fossils is different. So skeleton fossils is when a dinosaur or something dies and its body gets packed in dirt or soils in the ground. It takes hundreds of years, thousands of years, maybe sometimes, and decomposes and turns into skeletons. That's how skeleton fossils. While footprint fossils are when an animal steps on dirt or something or rock, then it hardens and then it's in the ground also. It's a long time, and then there will be a mark of that footstep. So that is a foot trace fossil. Thank you for listening.